Wednesday, the first day of October 2025, leaving the Loves at exit 13, Valdosta, I-75. Wanted to let y'all get a look at the camping sites. They've got 20, I don't know if they have 20 and 30 hookup, 30 and 50 amp hookups here or not, but they do have hookups. I can't tell if they've got sewer hookups. Yeah, some of them do have sewer hookups. RV stop. I think you pay right back there at the thing, I believe. This is a fairly new Loves. Got Bojangles and a Godfather's Pizza. So far I've had both of them. They're very good. Gas is $2.49. We get 10 cents off at Loves with our membership, so we got gas at $2.39. Let's check our mileage. 130.3 by 8.2. 15.89. That seems a little bit high. Pump may have cut off a little bit early. Our plan hasn't really changed. We just came on south. We wanted to get the border to border from Tennessee, Georgia border to Georgia, Florida border on I-75. When we came in here last night, it had gotten dark. I don't know how good that final video was, so we're going to go back up the freeway, maybe about 10 miles, and turn around and come back, so that hopefully we'll have good video all the way, border to border. The sun will be in our eyes coming back down, but and what we got last night may be fine. I just don't know. What we're getting in the with the Osmo Action 5, we're going to have to put in the computer, edit and upload. And back there we did have a 5G 5-bar connection, but these video files are going to be so large that will eat up our hotspot data. So I'm not sure how we're going to get them uploaded. They may not be until we get back before we get them uploaded. I don't know. We'll try to get some uploaded. We're going to go up, like I say, about 10 miles, come back down, go all the way to the Florida line. The fair doesn't start until they got I guess a peekaboo or quick viewing of something other Thursday tomorrow, and then the fair opens Friday. So we want to be there, by Saturday anyway. Our catalytic converters are rattling pretty bad. We may be looking for a muffler shop to replace our catalytic converters while we're down here. They're getting worse and worse. I just have crawled underneath there and made sure the exhaust pipes were tight and that they weren't loose. We did a walk around to make sure tires are pumped up, there's nothing leaking. No oil, no water, nothing leaking. How about that? No transmission fluid. Of driving yesterday, so we got Godfather's Pizza last night. It was very good. We got Bojangles this morning. It's very good. exit, turn around, and come back. Nice Bojangles biscuit. I don't guess y'all saw that. Brown just right. Nice, large, good serving size. There, you get to see the bow round. Bow round. Nice and crisp. Brown just right. These guys got it going on. Two county mounties. What was that? Long County? Well, giving you a welcome to Georgia on one side and a hasta luego on the other. Or hasta la vista or something to other. Goodbye. So long. Give us $200. $2.44 gallon there without even a discount. Doggone it. Yes, we got it for $2.39. That's the cheapest we've gotten it since Trump was president last time. Hey, exit 18, Valdosta, Poetry. Just go ahead and get off there. We'll stop and we will close our back window back here on our back door. And then we'll come back down. We'll go ahead and upload this one. Remberton. I've never heard of Remberton. And then we'll add that one coming back down to our border to border. Because it'll take us all the way down, and we'll use the Osmo Action 5 and maybe a different camera. We'll see. But that way we'll have the whole border to border with the Osmo Action 5. We'll go over to the QT over there and close our door, or our window on the door. We get all the way down to I-10. I don't know if we'll go to Stephen Foster Historic or Heritage Florida State Park or not. We do want to go back to the Swally River. So we can clown around all day today and part of tomorrow and still make it back up to Perry. For the fair. There's a racetrack. Let's go down to the racetrack. That way we won't have to make a left-hand turn coming out of the Quick Trip. I don't even see oh, there's a Quick Trip. Well, we'll just go on the Quick Trip right here then. We could have stayed here last night. This is a nice Quick Trip. Truck stop Quick Trip, like the one in Brunswick. Turn this one off. We're going to edit and start uploading.